The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks a remarkable return of a name that once defined style and elegance in the automotive world. After decades of absence, Volkswagen has revived this legendary model, reimagining it for a new era while retaining the classic soul that made it an icon. This modern interpretation carefully balances nostalgia with innovation, delivering a car that's both a tribute to the past and a statement of the future. At first glance, the new Karmann Ghia captures attention with its timeless silhouette. The smooth, flowing lines echo the original Coupe's handcrafted bodywork, originally designed by Italian firm Carrozzeria Ghia. Volkswagen has managed to retain those classic curves while integrating contemporary design cues like LED lighting, flush door handles, and aerodynamic enhancements. The front fascia is elegantly simple, with slender headlights and a clean grille design that hints at its electric powertrain underneath. Yes, the 2026 Karmann Ghia has gone fully electric. Volkswagen made the decision to align with their long-term electrification strategy, and the result is a sleek coupe that runs on the brand's latest MEB Plus platform. It offers an impressive driving range of up to 350 miles on a full charge, powered by a dual-motor setup providing all-wheel drive capability. With 320 horsepower and instant torque delivery, the Karmann Ghia isn't just about looks. It delivers performance worthy of its legendary badge. Inside, the cabin is a beautiful blend of retro charm and modern luxury. Volkswagen designers have paid homage to the original's minimalistic dashboard while incorporating state-of-the-art technology. A digital instrument cluster sits behind a steering wheel inspired by the vintage three-spoke design, while a large, central infotainment display handles connectivity, navigation, and entertainment. Premium materials like sustainably sourced leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents add a touch of sophistication throughout the cabin. One of the standout features is the panoramic glass roof, which stretches from the windshield all the way to the rear window, flooding the interior with natural light and enhancing the coupe's airy, open feel. The seats are ergonomically sculpted, offering both support and comfort for long drives, and the rear seats, while compact, are surprisingly accommodating for a car in this class. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2026 Karmann Ghia impresses with its agile handling and smooth ride. The MEB Plus platform allows for a low center of gravity thanks to the floor-mounted battery, which translates to excellent stability in corners. The steering is precise and responsive, and the suspension has been finely tuned to strike a perfect balance between sporty performance and everyday comfort. Volkswagen also includes adaptive damping, letting drivers adjust the ride quality to suit their mood, whether it's a relaxed cruise along the coast or a spirited run through winding back roads. Safety and driver assistance systems are comprehensive, featuring Volkswagen's latest IQ Drive technology. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The vehicle's advanced software architecture also supports over-the-air updates, meaning new features and enhancements can be added long after the car leaves the showroom. Volkswagen is positioning the 2026 Karmann Ghia as a premium halo car for enthusiasts and design lovers alike. While it celebrates its rich heritage, this modern revival is firmly focused on the future, combining zero-emissions driving with head-turning aesthetics and contemporary comfort. It's a bold move by Volkswagen, bringing back a name cherished by classic car aficionados and introducing it to a new generation in a way that feels both respectful and refreshingly modern.